Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, wherever you are in the world today. I hope you're doing great and with those you care about the most. Well, I am a huge Detroit Lions football fan, and we had a great season last year in 2023, and we're looking forward to even better one for 2024. And I am so excited that the draft is coming up. So I'm going to show you a couple of my favorite football balloons. First of all, we need a football. So let's grab a brown balloon and a white balloon. And let's make a simple football. So what we're going to do is we're going to blow this up all the way, except a tiny bit, so we can tie it. But before we tie it, we're going to do my favorite method, the massage. There we go. Stretch that balloon out. There we go. And now we can tie the ends together. And we're going to find the middle. And we're going to bring those sections down together. Now, what I'm going to do to kind of tug them all together is I'm going to do a little ear twist at the end here, which does a couple things. One, it does tug them all together. But two, it provides a little bit of a point. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I find this gives me that football shape very nicely and very consistently. There we go. Now I'm going to take my white balloon, and I don't need much air in it because I'm going to do the stitching. So I'm going to go down a little bit, maybe about 3 fingers before I start. And now I'm going to do a series of an ear twist to a split twist, okay, followed by a little bubble, followed by another ear twist to a split twist. And we're going to do about 7 of these. We'll see how that looks. Start off with about 5. So that's 3, 4, and 5. Yep, just like that. We need a couple more. And there we go. See how we're looking here. Yeah, that's right about perfect. Twist that together, and just like that, we have a football. Now, if you wanted to, you could take a piece of balloon and sandwich them all together in just an uninflated balloon. But that works good. But if you also want to add a little bit extra girth to it, if you have the right color 350s, it looks even better. But just inflate a little bit and twist it in there. Now you got there. So that's that. But if you're going to have a football, then you better have an end zone. Well, at least a field goal. So let's get the uprights going and get a gray balloon, blow it up almost all the way. Get that brain size. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to grab our end zone. Now let's go yellow. And what we're going to do is, that's about a 6-finger bubble. Going to go down about 3 fingers, split twist it, and you'll see why that's important in a second. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. And there we go. So what we're going to do now is just twist these together, and that split twist will keep everything lined up nicely. Woohoo! Again, very simple, but it works. Do it in your team colors, and you'll get a lot of requests for this one. So there's some simple football designs for your draft party or for the season coming up. So hope those work for you. And I hope you leave a lot of smiles because just remember, a smile is free. Thank you only takes a moment, but an encouraging word at the right time can change someone's life forever. So until next time, go for the extra point. Or if you're a Detroit fan, go for that fourth down. Adios.